There are just some dishes that remind me of being a kid. I remember I was playing Little League football. I was like 7 or 8, and my dad would not shut up about these sausage dogs at the concession stand. You remember those days, CJ?
Of course I do.
And for whatever reason, it's always stuck with me, and I realized on my show on this channel, we have yet to do sausage and pepper. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I like to do it. Having a great game day staple or just a fun, really quick to make, simple, like back pocket recipe is really, really fun. So let me start with my vegetables. It's kind of the only work we really have to do. So I've got some green bell peppers. I'm gonna cut off both ends, get rid of all the pith and the seeds on the inside, and we're gonna make this a nice julienne. I'm gonna do the same thing to some red bell peppers. I just like the color. They both have the same flavor, but color change is nice. I'm also gonna do the same thing to some red onion. The key thing is to make sure everything is relatively the same size and shape so they all cook evenly. Now I don't typically cook with the red onions, mostly because we want to take advantage of the flavor, the color and the texture of that, but I'm gonna go really fast. So I've got my Blackstone set like medium-high. Let's pull it up to high heat. We definitely want to start pumping on some of that heat. I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil, and we're gonna cook these veggies really fast. So it's a decent amount of oil there. Let's go ahead and grab all of these, or as many as we can. We're gonna go right down into the oil. I have got some smoked sausage. You can use any kind of sausage that you like for this, but this just really reminds me of my childhood. If you wanted to go really nuts, you could go with some like andouille, go super spicy, go Cajun with it. We're just gonna let those start to crisp up on the outside just a little bit. Now here is where we get to play with our flavors in our sauce. As most of my recipes, the sauce really is a place to shine. So got a bit of Duke's mayonnaise. I think I've said this a few times in the past. I'm not a huge fan of mayo by itself, but it's a really great medium for other things. I'm also gonna add some whole grain mustard and a bit of Worcestershire sauce with just a pinch of salt and pepper. Now mix all of this together and we've got like a savory, delicious bomb of flavor to go on our sandwich. Can I call it a sandwich? I can call it a sandwich, right?
I suppose it's
it's not a sandwich.
Sandwich-ish.
It's not a dog either.
No.
This is the thing of its own.
But it does classify more as a dog.
Classifies as a dog?
It does classify.
Call it a dog. Sausage dog.
Sausage dog.
Whatever. The sauce is fantastic. Oh yeah. Get a bit of caramelization really fast. You know what I do? I want to hit these with some salt and pepper. Stay right there. It smells like the ballpark. Is it just me?
It does smell very ballparkish out here.
Very ballparkish. We're gonna let that cook for maybe 90 more seconds. You can roll those sausages a little bit, toss those peppers. You don't want the peppers to turn into mush, so we want to cook them high heat, nice and fast. All we have left to do is slice our bread and add some cheese, and then we're good.
Sweet.
Any good hoagie will do. This is a nice one, nice and soft. All right, I feel good about this. You know what we should do? Just to warm them up a little bit. It's a little chilly. It is Florida, but it's a little chilly. Let's go ahead and toss these, kind of open them up. Get them cut side down. We're not really toasting, because we're not really getting a flat surface area. But we can at least warm them up just a touch. All right, while we're here, let's check out these beautiful. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah. Get these guys out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now this is a fun thing. You don't have to do this. I like to, let's separate these into 2 piles. Kind of make them pretty much the length of your sausage. Looks pretty good. Now I have a little bit of cheese. I'm using a bit of mozzarella. I'm just gonna go right over the top with it and let it start melting. Again, this is something you do not have to do. Some of that's gonna hit the griddle and get a little crisp, and I'm a fan of that. A little bit more here, and let's go to the other pile. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Melty cheese and sausage is where it's at. Let's take our bread. It's nice and soft now, it's pliable. Let's bring it to our cutting board and add some of that sauce to the bottom. Be fairly generous with it. I mean, there's a decent amount of bread here, so it can handle a good amount of sauce. Now we're gonna take our sausage and put it right over that sauce. I'm gonna take 2 spatulas. We're gonna grab all of those peppers and cheese and put it right on top of our sausage. It might take a little finesse, but when you're done, you are left with a gorgeous creation. All that's left to do is take a bite. This is a bit of a beast. Now let's cut that in half. Oh my goodness.
Dude.
Like my childhood reborn. But elevated, just so you know.
Is that right?
Oh yeah, look at that. We've got the sauce, the cheese, the peppers, the sausage.
Dang.
Oh yeah,
Dang.
oh yeah. Scoot that just a little bit. There we go.
Good luck.
Oh, come on.
Yeah?
I'm 9 years old,
Uh-huh.
playing football again.
Oh. Football.
Didn't last long.
No?
The other kids got real big. Oh yeah, it's a mess. That's how it happens. There you go, my friends. It is that simple to either relive a childhood memory or just make a really fun, delicious weekend warrior dish. No matter how you slice it, it is delicious. Check out Betty's video. Check out Todd's videos. CJ's if you have to. Destination Delicious. Bruce's videos. There's so many videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Nope.